Hello, students. Hope you're all doing well. This is Mo. So, first of all the best for your upcoming CA inter and CA final results are likely to be on January 2000. All the best. Even if you're not going to qualify, don't get panicked. Don't get panicked. Let us expect the best. Let us expect the best. As you all know, that every student who appears for any examination will not get qualified. And in case of courses like chartered accountants or cost account, the chances are little lesser compared to any other normal answers to qualify are little lesser compared to any other normal course. Anyhow, be bold, be prepared to face any kind of situation. I have seen multiple students who are able to qualify their CA or CMA examination very first attempt, but not able to shine in their career. Same time, I have seen many students who took multiple attempts to clear their CA final or CMA final are doing extremely well in their career. So failing in examinations is not an assurance, is not a benchmark about your career. Say, for example, you are going to you haven't qualified in the examination. That doesn't mean that you are going to fail even in the life also. That doesn't mean that you are going to fail in the career as well. Career is altogether different from examination. Let me continue. So, before I continue, again, let me wish all the best for your upcoming. For example, if you are not qualified in the upcoming CA inter result or CA fund result, now the big question is what is next? But all, if you want to decide to continue this course, then this video is absolutely relevant for you. And if you ask me a personal question, sir, what do you say? Even after not able to qualify the CA inter or CA final examination, you suggest us to continue this? Absolutely not. Absolutely, my dear children. Why not? This is worth continuing. This is worth continuing. Absolutely. And don't think that I'm giving this advice in the capacity of the management of master. Don't think that this is going to be a beneficiary advice to the management of the master. Absolutely. Keep aside the mastermind. Keep aside the mastermind. I'm giving this advice in the capacity of the family member. You just treat me as your family member. You can either treat me as your brother or you can either treat me as your father. You just assume me as your well-wisher, as your family member. I'm not giving this advice in the capacity of the masterminds management. I'm giving this advice in the capacity of the well-wisher to take it positively. I just told you, I have seen so many students who took many attempts to clear the CA examinations, but they're excelling like anything in their real life. The examinations are altogether different from the real life. Take it positively. Be bold. Be bold. Don't give up. Don't give up. Anyhow, now coming to the CA enter repeaters batch. Let me tell you the theme of this video. This video is going to cover the additional services that we are going to make available for the upcoming CA enter repeater. I repeat, not the services. Please underline, it is the additional service. So what are the additional services that we are going to offer CA enter repeater? As you all know that the CA enter repeater batches stands for CA enter crash batch and CA enter study and examination batches. Let me start with the CA enter study and examination. Now, what do you mean by CA enter and revision examination? So before I proceed further, I request the students to kindly like this video so that it will reach more number of students, and if possible, do share this video with your friends. So before I step into the additional services that we are going to offer in the upcoming CA Inter Study and Revision Examination batches, let me tell you, let me remind you, what are the general services or what are the normal services that we offer for the CA Inter Study and Revision Examination batches students. So the services that we offer for the CA Inter Study and Revision Examination batches in offline mode are as follows. We give a schedule on upfront basis, which contains the micro schedule, which contains the topics to be revised, or the chapters to be revised on day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, and so on. Immediately after completion of the examination, we even share the printed suggestion answers to each and every student within half an hour so that the student can have a self-assessment. And within 2 weeks, we complete the valuation and we even return the valued answer sheets, and we even circulate the valuation report customizedly prepared for each and every student. I just told you, these are all the normal services that we offer in offline mode for CA Inter Studies and Revision Examination batches. What are the additional services that we are going to make available at no additional fees? I repeat, at no additional fees as value added services as a one time offer for May 2024 examinees. So for group 1 and for group 2, of course, the admission for CA Inter Studies and Revision Examination batches will be available either on group 1 or group 2 basis, or for both the groups, or for both the groups as well. The student can make their own choice. Let us suppose that the student has taken admission for only group 1. In such a case, group 1 new syllabus comprises of advanced accountancy, corporate and other laws, and taxation. So what are the newly added chapters that were added in paper 1, paper 2, paper 3 of the newly added syllabus will be selected, and the video recorded lectures of all the newly added chapters will be will be showed in the classroom. It is not that we are going to give videos access to the students. We are going to play them in the classroom in virtual mode. This is going to happen for group 1 and group 2 students. And of course, for the students who took admission for both the groups also. And not just at Guntur campus. This is going to be made available even at all the branches, wherever the CA Inter Studies and Revision Examination batches are available. As you all know that the CA Inter Studies and Revision Examination batches are available at Vijayawada, Vizag, Tirupati, Nellore, Kurnool, Rajahmundry, and of course, our crown branch. What do you mean by crown branch? That is none other than Hyderabad. So these services are available even at Hyderabad also, apart from the central office, Guntur. Already we have been getting the admission inquiries, and already we have finished some admissions also. We have taken the payment. Already students have made the advance payment for some admissions also. In case of Guntur, I repeat, in case of Guntur, other nothing but the central office. This is going to be the central. This is going to be the complete residential system, CRS, where we are going to place restrictions on usage of cell phone, and the students will be allowed to make use of their cell phone at CA interlevel only for 2 hours a day. That too, only to watch their pending online video lectures or online video class. That's all. Only 2 hours will be allowed to make use of the cell phone. And you'll be given a designated room, and you'll be allowed to make use of the cell phone only in that room. Just a minute, my dear students. In addition to the additional services which I just told you, we are planning to provide one more additional service at Guntur campus. I repeat, only at Guntur campus. And the probability of happening this is more than 90%. So I'm going to reveal about one more additional service that we are going to make available at no additional fees for the CA Inter Studies and Revision Examination batch students. Do note that we are going to make available this additional service about which I am going to reveal, about which I am going to tell only at Guntur campus. What is that? So we are planning to arrange the doubts clarification sessions directly by the senior faculty, not by the supporting faculty. I repeat, doubts clarification sessions directly by the senior faculty, not by the supporting faculty. And this doubts clarification services will be through Zoom. So the faculty will sit in a centralized location, and the students at all our locations or at all our campuses of Guntur campus will be made available that needed desktops or laptops and the cameras, and they can raise their doubts by sitting in their campus itself. So the faculty will sit in a centralized location. The students will be given access to the doubts clarification services through the devices that we are going to make available at all our campuses. So just by sitting at your campus, you can raise your doubt, and the faculty will clarify that doubt. So for this, we are going to make the needed arrangements like setting up the desktops or laptops, cameras, etc., etc., etc. We'll give a timetable. We'll give a timetable, and we are going to make available the faculty on rotation basis. On rotation basis. So not that all the faculty will be available on each every day. On each and every day. I repeat, not that all the faculty will be available on each and every day. For example, in case of group 1, advanced accountancy faculty will be made available on a specified date. We'll tell you in advance. Corporate and other laws faculty will be made available on a specified date for 2 hours. We'll tell you in advance. And taxation faculty will be made available for doubts clarification through Zoom app on a specified date for 2 hours. So like that, we'll issue the schedule, we'll tell you the schedule much in advance. And this is absolutely at no additional fees, and the probability of making it happen, and the probability of likely to happen is more than 90%. We are right now making arrangements for the free doubts clarification services by the senior faculty at Guntur campus. The last one, I repeat, the last one that is available only at Guntur campus. What is that last one? Free doubts clarification services by the senior faculty. Now coming to the additional services that we are going to offer for the upcoming CA Inter crash batch students. So I hope you know the difference between the crash batch and the regular batch. Regular batch is a batch meant for first time listeners where the coaching will be offered in detailed manner, whereas a crash batch is a batch meant for repeaters where the coaching will be given in a brief manner. So coming to the group 1 crash batch. This time we are coming with a different academic program where the classes will be confined to 6 to 7 hours a day. And for the balanced number of hours, the students can go for revision. So the students will be able to revise the topics on the same day itself. Like such, we are planning the group 1 CA Inter crash batch services. And as you know that in the upcoming new syllabus, not just the descriptive mode, in each and every paper, we are going to have the MCQ examination also. So we are planning, I repeat, we are planning to teach even the MCQ questions also in the classroom itself, apart from the descriptive questions. So earlier we used to teach only descriptive questions. Now we are planning to teach both descriptive as well as MCQ questions in all the papers of the Inter Group 1 or Group 2. So this is an additional service. This is an additional service that we are going to make available for the upcoming CA Inter crash batches for May 2024 examination. Coming to the highlight, CA Inter Group 2 crash batch. Coming to the highlight. As you all know that those students who qualified CA Inter Group 1 in the old scheme need not appear for the examinations of the cost accounting paper. To be precise, it is not the cost accounting paper, it is cost and management accounting paper of the CA Inter Group 2 new syllabus. But the students need to appear for only 2 papers of the CA Inter Group 2. So as a compensation, I repeat, as a compensation, we are offering some complimentary services for CA Inter Group 2 crash batch, and we have renamed it as the CA Inter Group 2 hybrid batch. So will not be called as CA Inter Group 2 crash batch, will be called as CA Inter Group 2 hybrid batch. What do you mean by hybrid batch? Every day we are offering the coaching classes for the CA Inter Group 2 for 5 to 6 hours a day, and for the balance hours, the student will be allowed to revise the topics on the same day. Wait. Not just this. In addition to this, now after completion of the syllabus, from the second week of March 2024, we are going to commence the revision examinations for these Group 2 students. And in that revision examinations, we are going to cover the entire Group 2 syllabus. So we are going to issue a schedule, and the first revision examination for this batch is likely to be on March 8, 2024, and we are going to complete the entire Group 2 syllabus by third week of April 2024, and this will be at no additional fees. So we gave a schedule for Group 2 crash batch students covering the entire Group 2 syllabus, and weekly twice we'll conduct the examinations, and within half an hour we'll issue the printed solutions, and within 2 weeks we even complete the valuation and we even issue the valuation report. All this will be at free of cost. This is the compensatory additional service that we are offering for the CA Inter Group 2. since we need to teach only 2 papers, we are going to offer some compensatory additional services. Now coming to OTFC, what do you mean by OTFC? One time free coaching. So for the old CA Inter SSP students, SSP for the old CA Inter for the old CA Inter regular batch students of SSP program, single step program. I mean to say SSP1, SSP2, SSP3. You will be given one time free coaching either for CA Inter Group 1 or for Group 2. For more details, you please contact. For more details, you please contact our helpline numbers 9885125025 and 26. See, the CA and crash batch is available in two different modes, offline mode and online mode. And again, coming to the online mode, the online mode of coaching is available in two different modes. One is called live batches, second one is called video recorded lectures. So for video recorded lectures, what you need to do is you need to download our app, and after that you please find the icon called store, and you can search CA Inter Group 1 or CA Inter Group 2, CA Inter Group 1 or CA Inter Group 2 in search bar. So the entire CA Inter Group 1 or CA Inter Group 2 will be available for sale at just 14,000 rupees. At just 14,000 rupees with unlimited validity, with 2 views as an option. And the printed books will be sent through courier. So in case if you are a OTFC student, one time free coaching student, you can avail free coaching either in offline mode or in online mode. And in case of online coaching classes, not just the traditional video recorded lectures, we have an innovative learning platform called live batches. So in online mode, we have video recorded lectures, and in addition to that, we have live batches, live to home also, where the physical batch classes will be live telecasted, and you can watch those videos, or sorry, you can attend the classes, you can attend the coaching classes by staying at your home itself. In case of live batches, in case of live batches, you can even get your doubts clarified on a real-time basis. And our live batches will be popularly called as COB, complete online batch. And our video recorded lectures will be popularly called as VOD batches. God bless you. And again, I'd like to make the same request. Do like this video and post a comment if you have any doubt, so that it will reach more number of students. Thank you very much.